Alright, for today's video, this is going to be our third attempt to break 65 with my good friend Louie. Yeah, i-attempt namin ng break 65. So third attempt here in Navy. Sa front piece na ba tayo? Susubukan namin i-break yung 65. So, ano current handicap mo ngayon? 16. Dodoy? Dodoy. Oh, 16 daw si Louie. So, I'll explain na lang later kung how to go about it yung sa handicapping. Kasi ako, I'm currently 9. Si Louie is 16. Tapos we're going to attempt 65. So, medyo monumental task siya. But we will try to do it. So, let's see. Please stay until the end kung maabot namin ang break 65. Good luck, brother! Kasama rin namin ang aming nagmamahal na kaibigan, Doy. Welcome, good luck, brother. Ayan. Okay, starting the break 65 series. Third attempt, hole number 1. Our 471 meters.
Shot.
Good luck, brother. Break 65. Ba, good luck talaga, ha? Kakampi ka namin ngayon, ha? Okay, let's go. Safe yung first and second shot. So pipili na lang kami kung kaninong tee shot ang gagamitin. We are taking Louie's tee shot. We're left with 250 yards to the flag. Hitting either 3 wood siguro or hybrid. Si Louie magti 3 wood. Draw! Draw! Oh! Nandun lang yun. Good shot. Ay, kaya pa 3 wood. Ham and egg. Taking naman my second shot. We are 23 yards to the flag. Little room, little green to work with. Need to nip it with a 60 degree. Ganda, Louie! Maganda! Okay, may chance. Good shot, brother.
Bye.
Parang right inside na. No? No firm. We're taking Louie's approach for birdie to go. Good start sana sa break 65. Nice spot. Ham and egg. Good putt, brother. Okay. That was a good start. We started off with a birdie, so we're currently 1 under. Good putt by Louie and good approach. Okay yan. Okay lang yan. Okay yan. Okay yan. Okay. May tira yun. Yes. Pero okay yun. Open yun doon. Taking my drive. We're left with 143 yards. So si Louie mauna. I might hit a pitching wedge. Depende pa.
Go.
Pero okay na, patong yan.
Kiat.
Go! Oh, bitin.
Abiyain parang malaki. Go. Over na kanan.
Manan lang.
1 pitch.
17 yards to the flag, left to right. We are taking Louie's second shot. Just landed left, short of the green.
Kaliwa.
To go up and down for a par. Go ahead, partner. Galing. Okay na, par na. Good shot, brother. Ah! Malapit pa yun. Okay na yan, par na tayo. Alright, hole number 3. We are currently still 1 under. This is a very good start kasi na-par namin yung handicap 1. So hole number 3 is playing 172 yards. Currently, the pot money for this hole is 148,000 pesos. Ganda. Turn. Hindi na turn. Huwag ka lang mabang. Wala na po yun, sorry. Hindi, okay lang. Okay na. Yan talaga ang challenge. Stick right. Bounce right. Sige pa. Short na short. Landed short. Taking my tee shot. 17 yards to the flag. Maliit na maliit sa kaliwa lang yan, Jeff, di ba? Left to right. We need to go up and down for a par. Na baby. Okay lang, brother. Ang lakas! Tama na! Ang bilis! We have this putt for par. Ano binigay nyo?
Inside, right?
Right inside. Don't make me putt, brother. Nice putt! Nice putt! Nice putt! Nice putt! We are currently 1 under. Woo! Di ko na kailangan pumalo. Foul! Foul! Ako hindi ko na kailangan pumalo. Sa Louis.
Yes, perfect. Okay, maganda.
Oh! One more, brother.
We have options.
We have options.
Try for both Louis and I. We are still left with 85 yards. We are taking Louis' tee shot.
Pababa dapat sa kanan.
Tirang 75 siguro, 70. Angat! Ibas! Okay lang, brother. Woo! Okay. Thank you, brother. Yan na, may chance. Hopefully, nag-click nga nung Monday, anong Sunday. Naalala ko. Ay, okay. Another good chance for birdie. This might be the best start so far. We'll see. Okay, mukhang nice approach from our team. Okay, easy birdie. Okay, good birdie for our team to go 2 under. Sipahin mo na lang. Okay. Nice one, partner. Nice birdie. Okay, we're currently 2 under. Alright, 2 under through 4 holes. So this is one of the better starts so far. So hole number 5, 112 yards. Most likely hitting either a 56 or 50 degree wedge. Ano kaya ang ginagawa na itong dalawa? Distraction.
Halo pa lang to. Halo.
Ah, talaga?
Kick left.
At least may chance. Tatlong round daw kasi puro bunker dyan. Okay, we have another attempt for birdie to go 3 under if ever. Taking my tee shot. Malakas na pitik. Ay, sakto lang pala. Sakto lang. Ang bagal. Kala ko malakas.
Mabagal eh. Ay, sobra naman lagay ko.
Hindi, tumalon.
Oh, tumalon.
Sayang. That was a good opportunity. Pero okay lang, at least par on a par 3. We're still currently 2 under. Hole number 6. 343 yards, dog leg left. Need to take advantage of this. Okay lang yan. May silip. For left! Okay lang yan. May tira doon.
Yes. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yun! Sipa pa kaliwa. Okay, okay. That was a very good drive. So when taking my tee shot, we're left with 77 yards to the flag. So I'm hitting my 60 degree. We're still at on par to go break and to break 65.
Ganda
Ganda yan. I-clip mo.
Bite.
Malaganda yan.
Bite. Okay na yan. Nice shot, brother. At least may chance. Kaliwa naman. Tama. 2 mediocre approaches. But we have choices. Left to right to. Mine's left to right. Baka mas madali yan sa'yo.
Straightforward din yung putt kasi uphill.
Kaso bugbog yung green. Basta easy par. Ito, at least ito sa'yo uphill. Sa'yo na lang. No? No, Jeff? Okay, for birdie. Una ka ulit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 paces uphill, right to left. Right outside of the hole lang. Bali! Halos isang cup lang. Okay na, at least in for par. Good putt, brother. Ang lakas naman!
Okay lang. Okay lang. Pero ano ba pili ko bombang-bomba? Tama pa rin yung ano? Space? Tama lang.
Okay, that was another par for hole number 6. So still 2 under. For hole 7, 327 yards. Dog leg right. So our strategy naman for this hole, I'll play it safe. Tapos si Louie will try to go for it. So hopefully, ma-lay up ko ng maayos.
Nice shot.
You're free, brother. You can go for it.
Okay. Nice shot. Open. Yeah, okay dun.
Louie was freed. Free Louie. Yun yung bagong movie, Free Louie. Yeah, Louie will try to go for the green. So just waiting for the players to leave the green. Huwag ka sasabit. Sayang sumabit. Kung hindi sumabit, maganda eh. Pero hindi siya papunta sa boot. 128 yards to the flag. Taking my tee shot. Sayang sumabit lang yung kay Louie. Pero in front of the green na sana. Hitting a 50 degree wedge. Patong yan. Patong yan. Gugulong yan. Magpaso-sobra. Pasok! Uy! Sumobra pa. Good shot, brother. Hindi, okay lang. Maganda yata yan. Go! Okay, we have another birdie chance to go 3 down. 3, 4, 5, 6. Tama ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paces lang pala. Saan mo nilinya? Doon sa may dumi?
Oo.
Okay. Mabilis to, no? Kuha! Woo! 3 under, baby! Nice! Okay, what a putt by my partner, birdie. So currently we are 3 under. Sabi ko na eh, tunog pa lang, alam kong ikaw na yung pumalo eh. Okay. Ganda.
Patong mo lang.
Ay!
Ay, bunker.
Love ball. Oh, sayang. We're taking Louis' tee shot. Both mediocre shots. Sa akin was fried egg. Right to left. Mga 15 yards to the flag. Ganda niyan, Louis. Pasok mo na. Nice shot, brother. Oh, ganda niyan. Nice one. Oo. Nice shot, brother. Buti na lang. Ganda ng tira ni Louis. We're safe. Oo. Sakto yung binagsakan. Nice putt. Good par. That was all natural par. All natural. I think that was all para solo par ni Louis yung butas na yun, yung 8th hole. So hole 9, we need to take advantage. So hopefully we can birdie this para may baon to go 4 under sa back. So hole number 9, 511, par 5. Stop. Kick right. Hindi. Louis, the DOD master, going for it. Okay lang, at least fairway.
Layo niya.
Okay na yan.
Takbo.
Okay na yan. May pang 4 under na yan. Good shot, brother. Ayun, sa hole number 1. Left with 113 yards to the flags. Taking Louis' second shot. Left to right with the wind. Ay, kumahanan.
Pinapag-fade ko din ako.
Oo, nag-fade.
Oo, nag-fade ka.
Okay lang. Naku, kabig. Draw. Kick right. Ay, short, sorry. Very mediocre approach for me. Sobrang short. Left to right. 16 yards to the flag. Left to right. Maganda. Maganda, Louis. Maganda! Sayang. Good shot. Okay na. Nahihina naman. Sorry. Galing ni Louis. Buti na lang dikit. Currently, start of the back 9, we need to take advantage of this. Kasi dito yung maraming par 5. This is the more, well, easier. So, well, they say it's easier. So, hopefully, makuha na break 65. So, hole number 10 is 160 yards. And we are still currently 3 under.
Hole in one mo.
Ayan, sir.
Hole in one mo. I-clip mo.
Ay, hindi na gumulong.
Putting for birdie because of Louis' tee shot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 paces. Ulang. Go! Bagal.
Lakas naman.
Napipitik ko yung mga putt ko ngayon ah. Uy, di bumali.
Malakas eh.
Malakas. Na-firm.
First bogey. Bawi. Okay, maaga pa.
Scoring.
Dapat ito. Hole 11, 295 yards. We are now down to 2 under. So we need to make up for that bogey. So if ever Louis will go for it, if he's safe, I'll also go for it. If not, I will lay up with a 6 iron. Safe mo lang. Kick right. Kick right. Ayun, bumalik. Ayun, bumalik. Ayun, yun, yun. Oh. Parang play safe. Ay, kaliwa. Four! Four left!
Walang bumalik.
Damdam ko na. Uy, na ilalim. Okay lang, brother. Ay, kanan. Huwag ka mag-jumper. Sobra. Bite! 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 Malakas din. So left to right, kita yung bali. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Kuha. Woo! Grabe.
Ano, bonus na.
Grabe. Nice spot. Kitang-kita. Ang ganda. Buti na. Buti tongkas bumalik. What a clutch spot by my partner. Okay, we're still alive. We're still alive. Grabe yung par putt na yun. Grabe yung par putt na yun. Buti na lang. So we're still currently we're still 2 under. Ito na. We need to make birdies. If we want to break 65, we need to break birdies. We need at least 4 in this back 9. So we need to start dito sa hole number 12, which is also a very difficult hole. Pero susunod din tatlong par 5. So hopefully, dapat may maka-attempt eagle man lang tayo dito sa 13. No, Louis?
Or maka-birdie tayo ng mga par 3.
Yun yung importante. We'll see. Pero nice clutch putt yun, brother. Very clutch. We're still currently 2 under because of the clutch putt by Louis. 12th hole. 160 yards. Hitting a maybe 9 iron to or pitching. Draw! 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 Sarap din. Ganda, tama. Yes! Yes! Go! Yes! Okay na. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So bagong strategy, ako muna magpapat para makita ni Louis. 12 paces.
Sa dulo lang may record na yun.
Isang cup, ganun ba? Diba? Isang cup sa kanan.
Yes! Yes! Nice spot!
Okay lang. Okay, we need hole 13. Here we go. The start of the first par 5. We are still, unfortunately, 2 under na lang kami because of the bogey sa the 10th hole. So yan, hopefully we can really take advantage since hindi na nasa back tee ang blue. So hopefully we can at least birdie. We need to birdie the last, I mean not naman last 3 holes, but hole 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are 6 holes and we need to birdie 4 of the 6 holes para mag-break 65. So wish us luck. Come on, partner. We need to birdie the last 4 of the last 6 holes, or we need to make eagle. Let's go. Naku, kabig. Nanggigil. 4 for left!
Let's see. Okay, okay.
Kaya pa naman birdie.
Ganda.
Saan?
Gitna, sir.
Okay na. Tampay. are taking Louis' second shot. We're left with 93 yards to the flag. Left to right. We need to stick it close. Not. Bite, bite, bite. Naku, bunkerots. We have this spot for birdie. We need a streak of birdies. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 paces. Malakas pa rin. We need a straight. Still can't buy a birdie. Can't get a birdie. Hole 14, 510 yards. At least it was slightly right to left wind. Still 2 under. Come on, Luigi. Ganda. Perfect yan. Ano? Louis. Go. Sama nung ano. Oh, pero okay na yan. Good shot, brother.
Wow, nice shot. Nice shot. Layo.
G, we're taking my drive. I will lay up left of that tall building. See? Louis will go for it. Okay. Ganda. Ganda na yung angulo niya. Hindi abot sa bunker yun, ha? Second shot. 68 yards to the flag. Left to right to, di ba, Wena? Right to left yan, di ba? Okay. Right to left, 70 yards. 55, 60. Lakas lang. Bite. Ay. Malakas. Too much muscle, brother. Makoy na ilalim. Sorry.
Nice spot.
For the challenge, come on, partner. We need to birdie the last 4. We can do this. Okay, still currently 2 under. 442 yards. Birdie or eagle. Come on. Gandang drive. Si Louis. Ganda rin yan. Okay lang yan. Okay yan. Hindi, okay lang yan. Nasa baba na yun. Sa may bunker na yun. Good shot, brother.
Oo.
Nagtulugan yung...
Oo.
With 230 yards for our second shot. Taking Louis' tee shot. Hitting a hybrid. Save mo lang. Good layup. Okay, save. Uy, open. Chunky.
Save mo lang.
Good layup din. Grabe, shank na shank. Nakaganon ako, nararamdaman ko. Left with 120 yards for our third shot. Come on. 3-shot hole bigla by bad trip.
Go.
Sakto. Diba? Okay, may chance. Nice shot by Louis. We have this birdie putt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pace. Galaki sa left. Sa butas sa kaliwa. Come on. Come on, birdie. Uy. Nag-start ka agad sa kaliwa, no?
Kulang pa rin.
We need to birdie all 3 remaining holes. Hole 16, 115 yards. I-hole mo na raw ni Louie. Let's go. Yan na, Louie. Hala ka, kailangan. Saro, ganda ng linya.
Paano nga kaya yun? Ano?
Nice tee shot by Louie. Chance for birdie. Come on, tatlong birdie. Back to back to back. Left to right, 6 paces uphill. Left to right, ano? Edge binigay mo? Oo. Kailangan. Uy, kulang pa yun. Hina. Hina nga pa rin. Okay. We are still 2 under. Grabe, wala kaming birdie sa back. So playing a hole 17, is playing 177 yards from the blue tees. May pot money of 148,000 pesos. Sana yun na lang makuha namin.
Kick. Bite.
Ay, shoot! We're left with 33 yards to the flag. We are taking Louie's tee shot because mine went to the bunker. Ang goal na lang namin basta hindi mag 1 over sa back. Ay, kumagat!
Oh, yun.
Hindi naman bumali. Okay, last hole. We are down to 1 under. 2 over kami dito sa back. Okay. Maybe next time we will hit from the white tees. Para na may konting advantage. Mahirap talagang habulin ng ano. Ang break 65. Second shot because of the forced layup. 230 yards. Hitting my hybrid. Ganda!
Go!
Patong! Ay, sayang! Good shot. Good shot, brother. Ganda ng palo. Padro. Ay, sabi. Sakto sana. Hole out. 26 yards. Hole out. Talagang gusto mo yung bogey ah. Pinapanindigan mo yung bogey. Para even par. Okay, hindi. Kailangan under pa rin. Lakas din. Ano, sakto lang. Lakas lang. We have this par putt to end the round 1 under. Basta hindi lang even. Left inside bigay mo. Mabilis. Kuha! Nice! But at least even par. Ay ano, at least 1 under. Okay. Nice round, brother. At least 1 under. Ay! Okay. We end the round 60, 1 under. 69! 69. Grabe. Sayang. Kasi ito eh. Ang layo, brother. 1 under lang. Nag 2 over kami dito sa back.
3 under na nung ano yun.
Good game, good game.
Yeah, your front 9 was like...
It's a backseat.
Exactly.